to the Meditation Revolution. Welcome to this guided meditation. I'm T. Sailor, your guide, and I'm very happy to be here with you. I'll be guiding you in smiling mind meditation. Using this meditation, you'll transform the monkey mind into the smiling mind. I will guide you to develop a sense of contentment as the object of your meditation, and you'll be attending to each in and out breath while enjoying the feeling of contentment as your home base. When the mind wanders, as it does, you'll use a 5-step process to return to your home base of contentment. The 5 steps are recognize, release, relax, return, and reward. This training of the mind, this process, is the doorway to calm, insightful meditation that allows you to observe the process of the mind and eventually still the mind. Please sit as comfortably and alert as you can, with your feet flat on the ground. Let your energy settle into this moment. Letting the body relax and come to rest in your seat. Tension falling away. Settle into the sensation of resting, giving in to gravity and relaxation. Be very comfortable and alert. Feel the tension draining away from the arms and the legs, shoulders relaxing, jaw releasing, and find a sense of comfort in your body. Find a pleasant sensation, a feeling of comfort. Perhaps it's your hands resting on your lap comfortably. Maybe the comfort of eyes resting closed. Or maybe simply the comfort of not moving the body at rest. Let the sense of comfort expand. And now gently bring your attention to the sensation of breathing. Notice with gentle curiosity each in breath and each out breath. Notice the details of breathing. As your attention rests on the sensations of breathing, feel your feet firmly connected to the earth. connected to and supported by the earth. And feel how the earth supports you. Attending to your breath, the air you breathe, always there for you, sustaining your being. Noticing the in-breath supporting you and the out-breath supporting you. Connected to earth and supported by each breath. Allow a deep sense of stability of the earth and the ease of breathing to ground you in this moment. Breathing in the unconditional support of the earth. Breathing out any anxiety and worry. Breathing in the natural grace and beauty of the earth. Breathing out any judgment or self-doubt. Breathing in, embodying calm and peace. Breathing out, a quiet smile to the world. Now bring to mind a time when you were very, very contented, at peace. Your mind and body were very relaxed, at ease. No need to change anything or add anything to this moment of contentment. It may have been a time in nature, listening to birds, the wind in the trees, or sitting on a beach, just watching the water rolling in and flowing out. Or something as simple as getting into a soft bed and finally resting at the end of the day. Or slipping into a warm tub to relax. Find your feeling of contentment. Let the feeling fill your body and leave the story behind, leave the details behind, and just let the feeling of contentment grow in your body. expand and grow. Filling your whole body with a deep sense of contentment. A quiet, soft warmth. You can imagine this feeling as a color, if you like, expanding and growing, completely saturating your entire being. And now allow contentment to radiate from you. See yourself glow with this feeling of contentment. You are contentment. Let the feeling, the color envelop you, surround you, and radiate from you. Naturally growing and expanding. Enjoy this feeling. This feeling of contentment is your home base. This is your object of meditation, and you will always return to this feeling of contentment when your mind wanders in meditation. Stay with this feeling as you breathe in and out. When your mind does wander away, this is natural. Follow these 5 steps. Recognize without judgment the mind has wandered. That's okay. Allow what comes up to be there without pushing it away. It's okay. It's reality. No need to fight with it. Just recognize it. And then release. Release your attention from the distraction of what has come up. Release engagement. And now relaxing any tightness or tension in your body and mind. Physically feel your body and mind relaxing. And return to your home base, feeling the sense of well-being and contentment. The body and mind at ease in the feeling of contentment. and reward. Reward yourself for doing this with a soft smile, like you see on the Buddha. And allow the mind to smile. Repeat these 5 steps whenever the mind wanders off, for this beautiful training of the monkey mind into a smiling mind. You can use my meditation timers for 15, 30, or 45 minutes with periodic reminders of these 5 steps to support your practice. And there's a link to these timers in the description box.